Let me ask you this. How confident are you in your client pipeline? Do you feel that you have a steady flow of opportunities, or do you sometimes feel stuck in that frustrating feast and famine cycle? I've been there. I know how it feels to juggle client work, try to find new leads, and still wonder where your next deal is going to come from. Honestly, it's exhausting. And that's exactly why I created The Vault. When I first started consulting, I faced all of the same challenges. My pipeline was inconsistent, I wasted hours using tools that didn't work together, and I was constantly second guessing my process. And I realized I wasn't alone. So when I became a consultant for the second time, I implemented all of my learnings and then documented them all for you today. So what's actually inside the vault? Well, the answer is there's a lot of content. However, I've organized all of the content around the five core themes of business development, sales process optimization, practical marketing, productivity and automations, and most importantly, mindset and confidence, which is what a lot of people struggle with, especially when it comes to selling. Once you're inside the platform, you'll be able to see that we have a number of courses on the left-hand side: precision cold emailing, rapid list building, client pipeline kickstart, the growth engine, and the expansion blueprint. These are all comprehensive courses, which, depending on your stage of your fractional executive or consulting business, would be more relevant to you. And then we have video tutorials. These video tutorials are 47 videos at the moment, where showing you actually how to use technology rather than just saying what technology to use. That helps you actually achieve the tasks that you want to do or build the list that you're planning on building. Then we have step-by-step playbooks using Tango, so you can literally follow along to find companies to find followers of influencers or creators on LinkedIn, or how to find hot prospects within Slack, for example. And then we have a bunch of checklists and frameworks. These have usually been reserved for my paid consulting clients, but I've got things such as email templates, a quick revenue checklist, ICP and persona documentation, sales triggers, the pain and solution map, such a powerful tool for consultants and fractional executives. The last couple of things, there's Clay templates and guides. Clay is an amazing platform, but it's very hard to use. So I'm actually creating tables for you, which you can essentially copy and paste and get using and automate a lot of the busy work when it comes to prospecting. And then lastly, recommended technology. I host a monthly office hours for all paid members on a first Monday of every month. And if you have questions, you can ask me there, and I'll do my best to answer them live in the platform. Imagine this. You're not chasing leads anymore. Instead, you have a steady flow of the right clients, a system that you can trust, and the confidence you need to close high-value deals without stress. That's what the Vault is here to do. Help you to build a business that's consistent, predictable, and fulfilling. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start seeing real results, join the Vault today. Click below to browse the page, learn more about what's inside, and get started. Together, we'll make client acquisition simple, manageable, and something that you may actually enjoy.